Morning, Steve Reed in Chicago with the morning grain comments. We had mixed trade overnight with beans slightly higher at 15.23 on the May. Meal also slightly higher at 4.81 on the May, while soybean oil is slightly lower. Corn is unchanged on the May at 6.75, while Chicago wheat is down 3 cents at 7.73. Looks like the stock market is going to open up lower while dollar is higher. Crude is also lower. As far as weather is concerned, it looks like Argentina is going to remain dry for the rest of February. The Argentina BAGE lowered their soybean crop rating from 13% last week to 9%, and they're talking about lowering their soybean crop to Rosario's numbers of 34.5. We also note that they lowered the corn crop from 20% good to excellent in Argentina to 11%, and that 68% of the crop is pollinating. We noted that Rosario's crop number is 42.5 for corn versus the USDA's 49. We did note that the Black Sea exported 1 million tons of corn to China each in December and January. And that raises talk that maybe Putin will extend the export corridor deal because of those shipments to China. The U.S. again remains wet across the south and southeast and eastern Midwest, snow across the northern plains and the Great Lakes area. It is going to turn colder over the next couple of weeks. We'll also see some kind of warming early in March, but we also could see colder weather late March, early April. There's a hint that maybe the Canadian prairies, northern plains, and northwest corn belt will start out drier than normal. And this cold weather is not expected to cause any problems with wheat conditions as far as frost is concerned. But again, the southern plains in this whole weather pattern will remain mostly dry, but see some showers off and on. The May corn held 15.16 report support, just like 5.72 in May. May meal corn market in a very tight trading range, while wheat, Chicago continues to lose to Minneapolis and Kansas City. We did note that Argentina, both the government and the farm community, is taking a relatively big hit with high inflation, high interest rates, and lower crop revenues because of the lower crop numbers. For the week, soft wheat futures down 19, KC down 7, while Minneapolis was up 10. Corn's down 2 cents, beans down 6 cents, meal's up $12, and oil's down about 1 cent per pound. So we'll be watching next week, USDA Outlook Conference, when they'll come up with the first guesses for 23-24 U.S. supply and net demand numbers. The official WASDE numbers don't come out until May, and Monday is a holiday here at the CBOT.